So Vevor wanted to send over this framing nailer for us to try out in exchange for this video, and it came at the perfect time because my dad is actually building this out in his shop. So he was the one that was perfect to try it out. And it's actually a pretty solid tool if you're doing any kind of building or repairs. It does work with a bunch of different nail types, smooth, ring shank, or threaded, so you don't have to hunt down anything special. My dad did like that you can switch between the two firing modes depending on what you're doing, because sometimes he wants that careful one-at-a-time control, and other times he'll need to move a little bit quicker. The depth adjustment is super easy too. There's no tools needed. You just twist the little wheel. It does have a little bit of weight to it, and the grip does feel good, so his hand doesn't get tired as quickly. And if a nail jams, the front pops open so you can clear it without fighting it. The magazine does hold a good amount, like 60 nails, which saves a lot of time for reloading. So whether you're framing, decking, fixing floors, or just tackling some DIY projects around the house, it does the job without making things complicated. He said it's a pretty decent tool. We hope you love it too, and I hope this video helps.